Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going on a tour of the Best in Black Barbie doll apartment. Here's the apartment's floor plan. Now let's go inside. When we enter the apartment, we go right into the living room. The entrance is here, but there's no door. I made the coffee table. I also made the accent chair. The fireplace is from an old Barbie dollhouse. I gave it a makeover. The sofa is from Amazon and it was a gift. It's actually a jewelry box. The side table are also thrifted items. I made the lamp. And I also made the clock with an old watch. I thrifted the vase and the flowers. And most of the items on the fireplace mantle are thrifted except for the candlestick holders, and I made those. Barbie likes to do her workouts in the living room. And she also loves to relax by the fire, enjoying a glass of wine. Across from the living room is the powder room. The vanity was thrifted. I added some detail and some legs. I thrifted this wire egg and I turned half of it into a chandelier. The toilet is from an old Barbie dollhouse. I added some height and painted it white. Looks like Barbie wants to use the powder room. Let's give her some privacy and head out to the kitchen. The table is a candlestick holder I thrifted, and I made the tabletop. The chairs are from this Barbie dining room set. I painted them black and made some seat cushions. The lighting was made with these plastic Easter eggs. I also made the island. And the main kitchen part is from an old Barbie dream house that I gave a makeover to. And I made the cabinets. Barbie loves cooking in this kitchen. And she especially loves eating. Across the kitchen is the laundry room, and Barbie also uses it as a pantry. I thrifted the washer and dryer. I gave it a makeover so they look more alike. And the shelf is from the dollar store. It's laundry day. Now let's head out into the main living area, into the hallway that goes to the bedroom and the office. It's a 2-bedroom apartment, but Barbie uses one as a home office. Let's check out the home office first. The shelf was thrifted years ago, with more thrifted items on it, and some of them I made. I found this metal dog earlier this year at a rummage sale, and it's one of my favorite finds. The desk is a shelf I found at a thrift store, and I turned it upside down. I really like this planter as well. I found it at a garage sale. I made the egg art. The chandelier was also thrifted. This shelf is from the dollar store, and most of the items on it were also thrifted. The area rug is a placemat. I also thrifted the chair. Barbie loves working in her home office. And this is where she displays most of her thrifted finds, because she loves thrifting. Now we head into the bedroom. The bed frame was made from these plastic garden borders I bought at the dollar store. I thrifted the mirror, the chandelier is the other half of the wire egg I used in the powder room. I found the closet at a thrift store and gave it a makeover. I thrifted the little vases and I turned one into a lamp. The night table was also thrifted and I gave it a makeover. All the crochet bedding and rugs are made by my mom. Across the bedroom is the bathroom. The vanity was also a thrift store find, and I gave it a makeover. The shower wall is from a picture frame. I used the same toilet I used in the powder room. The chandelier was also a thrift store find. It's getting late, so Barbie is getting ready for bed. Barbie's asleep, so let's go out into the main living area. All the videos of this diorama and how I built them are on my channel, and I also include the links in the description box below. I think my favorite room is the powder room and the kitchen. Tell me down below which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.